Angel Kids TV.
A says, as in apple. B says, as in ball. C says, as in cat. D says, as in dog. E says, as in elephant. F says, as in fish. G says, as in goat. H says, as in hat. I says, as in igloo. J says, J as in jelly. K says, as in kite. L says, as in lion. M says, as in monkey. N says, N as in nose. O says, O as in octopus. P says, as in pig. Q says, as in queen. R says, as in rabbit. S says, as in sun. T says, as in turtle. U says, U as in umbrella. V says, as in van. W says, was in whale. X says, as in box. Y says, as in yellow. Z says, J as in zebra. Now we know our ABCs. Next